Let's check this out, see if there's anything interesting. This is a day use area with a restroom and a picnic table, and it's been a little wet, so it is muddy here. Let's go for a walk and try not to sink. It's hard to get the scale of some of these trees in a video. They're pretty big. Most of your redwoods are in California, but there are a few here in southern Oregon. Trees don't recognize borders. This is a quick half an hour loop, maybe, with me stopping and taking some pictures and letting people pass and whatnot. There are some steps you have to deal with, some slippery spots and roots and things to go over. So if you have mobility issues, you might want to sit this one out. But it's a nice little quick walk and some pretty trees. Bye-bye.